Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a simple cinemagraph effect in Capcut. So if you want to make your videos pop with a touch of magic, in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how you can get a stunning cinemagraph effect using just Capcut. So there's no fancy software or complex skill needed. So in here, I'm going to just open CapCut, and you can just start a new project and then select the videos that you want to edit. So for example, here I've already selected video, and this is the video that I want to edit. Okay, so what you need to do in here is just duplicate the video first, click on it, swipe on the toolbar here until you find the duplicate option. Now click on one of the video and make it as overlay. Okay, so you need to go to where the glass is almost full, like in here for example, and then find the freeze option. So here, find freeze, this one, and now delete the rest of the clip but keep the freeze, the frozen scene in there. Okay, now you need to adjust the length of the frozen scene in here to match with the clips, like this. And then what you need to do is just find the masking option, then choose rectangle and adjust the position. Okay, you need to click invert first and adjust the position like this, and you can add some feather to make it more natural. You can tap on a check icon, and first you can preview the result. Okay, so now it's done. As you guys can see, the drawing is boring, but the drawing in the glass is still in the same position. So this is the cinemagraph effect that I want to create in this video. So it works on the CapCut mobile or PC. Whether you're editing for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Short, this effect will seriously level up your content game. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. And don't forget to click on the thanks and also subscribe to our channel. Bye!